Hello everyone, and welcome back once again to another interesting video. In today's video we'll discuss about 7 data analyst skills that will make you stand out in 2023. So if you are ready, let's start today's video. This video gathers 7 skills that data analysts should know to excel in their careers. Data analysts are in high demand across all industries, and the field is only expected to grow in the coming years. To stand out in the competition, it is important to have a strong set of skills that are relevant to the modern data analyst role. Let's explore the 7 crucial data analyst skills that will set you apart and elevate your data analytics game. 1. Proficiency in programming languages. One of the fundamental skills for a data analyst is proficiency in programming languages such as Python, R, or SQL. These languages enable analysts to extract, manipulate, and analyze large datasets efficiently. Python and R are widely used for statistical analysis and data visualization, while SQL is essential for database querying. Mastering these languages allows data analysts to perform complex tasks and automate data processing, making them indispensable in any data-driven organization. 2. Statistical analysis and mathematics. Data analysts must have a strong foundation in statistical analysis and mathematics. Understanding statistical concepts such as hypothesis testing, regression analysis, and probability distributions is crucial for accurate data interpretation. Proficiency in mathematics helps analysts identify patterns, correlations, and trends in the data. A solid grasp of statistical analysis and mathematics enables data analysts to derive actionable insights and make informed business decisions based on data-driven evidence. 3. Data visualization. The ability to effectively present data in a visually appealing and understandable manner is a highly sought-after skill for data analysts. Data visualization tools like Tableau, Power BI, and Matplotlib allow analysts to create interactive charts, graphs, and dashboards that convey complex information in a clear and concise way. By presenting data visually, data analysts can communicate insights more effectively to stakeholders and facilitate better decision-making. 4. Data cleaning and preprocessing. Data analysts spend a significant amount of time cleaning and preprocessing data. This involves handling missing values, dealing with outliers, and standardizing data formats. Strong data cleaning and preprocessing skills ensure that the data is accurate, consistent, and ready for analysis. This skill is particularly important in dealing with real-world datasets that often contain inconsistencies and errors, and being adept at data cleaning saves valuable time during the analysis phase. 5. Business acumen. To be a successful data analyst, it is important to have a solid understanding of the business domain in which you operate. A data analyst should be able to identify the key business questions, align data analysis goals with business objectives, and provide actionable insights that drive meaningful outcomes. By combining technical expertise with business acumen, data analysts can bridge the gap between data analysis and strategic decision-making. 6. Problem solving and critical thinking. Data analysts encounter complex problems and challenges regularly. The ability to think critically and approach problems analytically is crucial. Data analysts must be able to break down complex problems into smaller, manageable components and develop innovative solutions. Effective problem-solving skills allow data analysts to approach data analysis with a structured and systematic mindset, ensuring accurate and reliable results. 7. Continuous learning and adaptability. The field of data analysis is constantly evolving, with new tools, techniques, and technologies emerging regularly. Data analysts who stay curious, embrace continuous learning, and adapt to changing trends will thrive in this dynamic field. Keeping up with the latest advancements in data analysis, exploring new methodologies, and being open to learning new skills will ensure that you remain at the forefront of the industry. That's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell for more content, so you don't miss any upcoming video. And, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and keep coding. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.